Ever wonder how ordinary people are harnessing the power of AI to achieve financial success? Well, today we're going to explore the exciting world of AI driven wealth creation. How are people using AI to make money? What opportunities does this technology offer? Let's dive in and find out. Traditionally, starting a business requires a substantial workforce and a lot of effort. But the AI era has revolutionized entrepreneurship by letting people create companies with minimal staff. AI-driven startups are reshaping the landscape by streamlining operations from customer service to data analysis and decision-making. AI isn't just a tool, it's a strategic partner that analyzes customer preferences and predicts market trends, helping businesses stay ahead in the competitive landscape. Despite challenges, the potential rewards are substantial as companies continue to innovate and integrate AI into their operations, democratizing entrepreneurship for individuals. Tidio AI chatbot goes beyond answering frequently asked questions. It can assist or replace your support team by quickly addressing customer queries and providing information in order fulfillment or restocking. Tidio AI improves the customer experience. This saves money on support staff and helps increase sales by making the customer journey seamless. Branding is a crucial aspect to running a business that many people struggle with. But now, branding is made easy with BrandCrowd. Head to brandcrowd.com, enter your business name, choose keywords, and explore many logo designs tailored to your business. You can select a design, customize it, and download your unique logo. Use watermarkremover.io if you want to remove watermarks for free. You can provide logo customization services by using the platform to establish an initial design and refine it to your client's preferences. Promote your expertise on various channels, including freelance platforms, social media, and your website. You can also charge your client for your creative input and dedicated time perfecting the design, ensuring your skills and efforts are appropriately valued in the market. Did you know that AI has simplified the once complex software development process? No-code and low-code platforms powered by AI lead the charge, offering intuitive interfaces that eliminate the need for extensive coding skills. Entrepreneurs and creators, regardless of their coding expertise, can now piece together software components visually. This streamlined approach accelerates innovation by allowing rapid prototyping and development. Real-world success stories highlights how people with no formal coding background create software to solve specific problems, opening new avenues for income generation. For example, building a website for your company was a complex and time-consuming process, requiring coding skills and design expertise. Even with the advent of platforms like WordPress and Wix, creating a website could still take weeks. 10web.io and Durable.co changed the game by using AI to design, build, and write copy for your website in a matter of minutes. These tools can even source and insert imagery, providing you with a fully functional and aesthetically pleasing website with minimal effort. Has the AI revolution transformed the learning landscape, making skill acquisition faster and more personalized than ever? AI-powered learning platforms act as personalized tutors, adapting to individual needs and learning paces. By analyzing progress and adjusting content accordingly, AI ensures efficient and effective learning experiences. This has resulted in people mastering languages, gaining certifications, developing new skills quickly, and monetizing their newfound expertise. Knewton is an adaptive learning platform that utilizes AI to personalize educational content for students. The platform analyzes individual student performances and tailors its recommendations to address each student's strengths and weaknesses. Knewton AI algorithm analyzes vast amounts of data to identify patterns in learning behavior. This data-driven approach allows educators to gain insight into students' performance and make informed decisions about instructional strategies. In today's economy, centered on attention and engagement, AI has revolutionized content creation. AI has become a collaborator, generating content ranging from artwork and music to YouTube videos. By analyzing huge repositories of existing content, AI tailors creation to individual needs, resulting in innovative and fresh content. This collaboration between human creativity and AI-generated elements has opened new avenues for wealth creation in the creative space. As our attention spans dwindle, short-form content has become king. Opus Clip, an AI tool, simplifies the creation of engaging short-form content. It can transform long-form videos into shorter, attention-grabbing clips with a click. The AI identifies the best hooks in the video, ensuring that the edited content retains the most relevant highlights. This tool is a game changer for content creators looking to save time and resources while increasing the chances to go viral. Adobe Firefly is all about unleashing creativity, unlike other tools that focus on efficiency. This generative AI-powered tool can create realistic images from detailed text, perform generative fill-in photos, and turn sketches into photorealistic images. Firefly saves time and elevates the quality of creative work, making it an indispensable tool for content creators. Managing social media can be time-consuming, but innovative new tools are making it easier than ever to create quality content. Pretis.ai simplifies social media posting by generating entire posts from your text. Visit Pretis.ai, choose the post type, specify the content, and select a style. Then edit as needed and share directly to platforms like Instagram. It's effortless and efficient social media content creation at your fingertips. Creating engaging content may seem like an entire battle, but ranking it on Google requires mastering proper search engine optimization. Enter GravityWrite, the AI writing assistant that makes SEO easy. Whether it's a blog post, social media content, YouTube scripts, or email copies, GravityWrite.com has you covered. Simply follow the prompts to generate well-structured, SEO-friendly content in a single click. Imagine giving your product images a professional makeover effortlessly. How does that sound? Creator Kit is the answer. Visit CreatorKit.com, upload a photo of your product, adjust its size and placement, and explore different styles to enhance its visual appeal. With a simple click, you can generate stylish product images. And if you're not satisfied, render again for even better results. Concerned about low image resolution? Give Replicate a try. Go to Replicate.com, select Super Resolution, upload your image, and witness the magic as the AI tool increases size and improves image quality. With just a click, download your visually stunning high-resolution image. No more fuzzy pictures or pixelated graphics. Replicate makes improving image quality quick and easy. Responding to emails can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT Writer, a simple Chrome extension, makes it easier. By leveraging AI, this tool automates replying to emails, saving you time and effort. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking to streamline their communication workflow. Reading through lengthy documents or contracts can be a tedious task. DocuAsk simplifies the process by using AI to analyze documents and answer questions related to the content. This tool saves time by extracting relevant information, making it a valuable asset for anyone with extensive writing material. Copilot complements Microsoft's suite of products by offering a wide range of capabilities. Yes, from analyzing Excel spreadsheets to creating PowerPoint presentation, Copilot streamlines many tasks. It can even transcribe notes during Microsoft Teams meetings and generate reports based on previous work. This versatile AI tool makes workflow more efficient and seamless. In the financial sector, AI-driven analytics and robo-advisors have equalized access to customized investment strategies, empowering people to make smarter financial decisions and maximizing profits. The abundance of AI innovation can be daunting, as each emerging tool presents itself as a groundbreaking development. But the reality is that not all AI tools are created equal, and many may not significantly contribute to your success. Remember, AI isn't just the future, it's the present, and those who harness its potential are well on their way to financial prosperity. So whether you're a content creator, business owner, investor, or inspiring AI enthusiast, the path to wealth with AI is ripe for the taking. Start your journey today. What do you think about this? Let us know down below. And if you found this interesting, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more.